Want to earn passive income by selling files people can download instantly? In this episode of Internet Paydays, we're diving deep into how to sell digital downloads on Etsy, from planners to templates to printables. The best part? No need to ship anything, handle inventory, or have a design degree. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a side hustler, or someone looking to replace your 9-to-5 income, digital downloads on Etsy can be your ticket to financial freedom. Let's break down exactly how to do this step by step. Why Etsy is perfect for digital products. Etsy has over 90 million active buyers worldwide, and they're not just browsing, they're actively searching for helpful, aesthetic, and affordable downloads with their credit cards ready. Unlike starting your own website where you have to drive all the traffic yourself, Etsy already has millions of motivated buyers visiting the platform every single day. They trust Etsy, they're comfortable buying there, and they're specifically looking for unique, creative products. What to sell? Hot niches. Here are some evergreen and trending niches that continue to perform well. Small business tools, invoice templates, contract templates, client questionnaires, teacher and education printables, classroom management tools, lesson plan templates, student progress trackers, fitness and wellness journals, workout trackers, meal planning templates, water intake logs, budgeting and finance planners, monthly budget worksheets, debt snowball trackers, savings challenge printables, tools to create digital downloads. You don't need expensive software or years of design experience. Here's your complete creator toolkit. Canva, your main design tool. ChatGPT, your content assistant. Creative Fabrica or Envato elements, graphics and fonts. Google Docs or Sheets, editable templates. Etsy, your selling platform. eRank, optional keyword research. How to list your product on Etsy. Let's walk through the complete process of creating and listing your first digital product. Step 1, create your design in Canva. Step 2, export your file. Step 3, set up your Etsy shop. Step 4, create your listing. Step 5, write your title. Step 6, choose your category and attributes. Step 7, write a compelling description. Common mistakes to avoid. Learning from others' mistakes saves you time and money. Here are the biggest pitfalls new digital download sellers face. 1. Copyright infringement. Never use Disney characters, NFL logos, brand names, or copyrighted images. Don't trace other artists' work. Be careful with fonts. Ensure commercial use license. Avoid celebrity names or likenesses. When in doubt, create 100% original or use properly licensed resources. Etsy will shut down shops for repeated violations. 2. Poor product quality. Blurry or pixelated images. Typos and grammatical errors. Inconsistent formatting or alignment. Files that don't print correctly. Missing pages or incomplete products. Always test your products before listing. 3. Weak product photos, using only a basic screenshot. No mock-ups showing the product in use. Poor lighting or unprofessional staging. Not using all 10 available image slots. First photo doesn't clearly show what it is. 4. Keyword stuffing or poor SEO. Titles that are just a string of keywords with no flow. Using irrelevant tags to get more views backfires. Not researching what buyers actually search for. Copying competitors' exact titles and tags. Ignoring long-tail keyword opportunities. 5. No clear product descriptions. Vague about what's included. Not specifying file format and dimensions. Forgetting to mention it's digital. Angry customers expect physical items. No instructions for downloading or using. Not addressing common questions. 6. Pricing. Too low or too high. Initially, undervaluing your work kills profitability. Pricing too high without social proof scares away buyers. Not adjusting prices as you gain reviews and traction. Ignoring market research on competitor pricing. 7. Inconsistent branding. Every product looks completely different. Shop has no cohesive aesthetic. Confusing shop name or unclear niche. No recognizable style customers can identify. Hard for customers to find related products. 8. Not building beyond Etsy, relying 100% on Etsy with no external traffic sources. Not collecting customer emails. No social media presence. Not diversifying platforms. Consider Gumroad, Shopify, etc. Putting all eggs in one basket is risky. Scaling your digital download business. Once you've got a few products selling consistently, it's time to scale up and maximize your income. Expand your product line. Create variations of best sellers, different colors, layouts, themes. Build complementary products. If meal planners sell, add grocery lists. Develop seasonal versions, holiday-themed editions. Create Part 2 or advanced versions. Bundle existing products in new combinations. Automate and systematize. Create a content calendar for new product releases. Batch create similar products. Design 10 planners in one session. Schedule social media posts in advance. Later, buffer, tailwind. Use templates for product descriptions to save time. Develop a consistent design workflow. Increase average order value. Always offer related products and descriptions. Create bundle deals prominently displayed. Use Etsy's frequently bought together feature. Offer upgrades, basic versus premium versions. Add complementary products to your shop sections. Build your brand beyond Etsy. Create your own website for direct sales, no Etsy fees. Start an email list and nurture subscribers. Build a social media following you own. Consider selling on additional platforms. Gumroad, no monthly fees, 10% transaction fee. Shopify if you want full control. Creative Market for design resources. Teachers pay teachers for educational content. Your own WordPress site with WooCommerce. Ultimate goal, build a shop with 50 to 100 plus products that generate consistent passive income while you focus on creating new products, or even stepping away to let it run on autopilot. Many successful Etsy sellers earn $2,000 to $10,000 plus per month once they've built a robust catalog and marketing system. Some even build six-figure digital download empires. Selling digital downloads on Etsy is genuinely one of the easiest and most scalable ways to earn passive income online. You don't need a design degree, a huge startup budget, or technical expertise. You just need a laptop and internet connection. Canva and ChatGPT both have free versions. A willingness to learn and iterate. Consistency and patience. The beauty of this business model is that it compounds. Every product you create is a potential income stream that works for you 24/7. While you're sleeping, someone across the world could be downloading your planner. While you're creating new products, your existing ones continue selling. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every successful shop started with 0 sales. Every profitable product was once just an idea. Your idea could be the next best seller that changes your financial life. I want to hear from you. Subscribe to Internet Paydays. Comment below with your digital product idea. Share this video with someone who's looking to start a side hustle or build passive income. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next episode on monetizing YouTube without showing your face. Thank you for watching Internet Paydays. Now go create something amazing, and I'll see you in the next episode where we're talking about making money with YouTube automation. To your success and freedom.